Hi guys, welcome again to Learning TWI with Tree Junior Pro. My name is Kwesi, and today will be a bit different. So what I decided is, seeing that a lot of people are now sending me comments and translations, as in words to translate, right? I think I'll use Wednesdays, if possible. Wednesdays to do all the translations so that everyone will know how to pronounce the words they actually wanted me to translate. Then on Sundays, I'll actually, give a full lesson on topics, be it commands, be it colors or whatever, right? But that doesn't restrict me to also add a few words or a few sentences that nobody actually put in the comment section, just for add-ons, right? So with that, right, let's start with the first comment that I had in the comment section. So this was from Afare. Thanks again, Afare, for actually submitting your comment and asking me to translate these, right? So Afare had 3 things that he wanted to know, right? Nowadays I have these because, you know what, I can't remember everything. When we started, it was just a little 1, 2, 3 words. But today we have 2 from Afare and Joel. Joel, thanks again. So Afare wanted to know 3 things. So the first sentence that he wanted me to translate in Twi is, please pour water in the bottle. So please pour water in the bottle. So in Twi, please pour water in the bottle is Mepawokyɛw, hwie, nsuo gu toa no mu. So Mepawokyɛw is please, hwie is pour, nsuo is water, gu is into, toa is bottle, no represents that specific bottle, then mu is inside of, like I said in my previous video, right? So please pour water in the bottle is Mepawokyɛw, hwie nsuo gu toa no mu. The second thing that Afare wanted me to translate was, I have put the food in the fridge. So I have put the food in the fridge. In Twi, it will be Mede aduane no ahyɛ firigyi no mu. Now, to my knowledge, I don't know what fridge is in Twi, right? I know it's firigyi, right? If somebody knows what fridge is, please put in the comment section. I know it as firigyi, right? But I've heard that some people call it Asukɔtwea. Asukɔtwea is like hail, adaka, which is box. So it's like ice box, right? So I'm not sure if that's true. If I'm wrong, please let me know in the comment section. All right, cool. The third one was, please remove the pineapple from the fridge. Please remove the pineapple from the fridge. So in Twi, it will be Mepawokyɛw yi aborɔbɛ no firigyi no mu. So Mepawokyɛw is please, yi is remove, aborɔbɛ is pineapple, no represents that specific pineapple, firi from, firigyi is fridge, numu inside of, right? Then the next person was Joel. So Joel, thanks again for always sending your comments. They're always appreciated. So Joel wanted me to differentiate between da and bida, right? So he asked me what before is in Twi. So now I didn't understand exactly what he was saying. So I told him that bida, I've never heard bida before, right? Then da, to my knowledge, in Twi is day, right? But then I was confused. I didn't understand what he was saying up until he sent a sentence for me to read and actually translate. So from that, I understood what he was trying to ask initially. So the word da, apart from being a day and everything, the word da and bida, standing alone, doesn't really mean anything apart from the da part, which is day, right? Bida really doesn't mean anything on itself. You have to put it in a word for it, or should I say, put it in a sentence for it to make sense. So the word that he sent that actually made everything click was this. So Joel wanted to know what have you done it before is in Twi. So have you done it before in Twi can be said in 3 ways, right? Now the most common one is Woayɛ bi pɛn. Woayɛ is have you done. B is that specific thing, then peng is like again, right? So Woayɛ bi pɛn. So have you done that before, right? Then the other way that you can say it is Woayɛ bida. Bida is also the same as peng, which is before. Then you can say Woayɛ. Now the difference between those three is Woayɛ peng and Woayɛ bida are relatively the same. You are actually asking for a specific thing. So for an example, assuming I work at a cell phone repair shop, then you come to me, then you're like, hey Kwesi, you know what, I need you to repair this phone. Then I look at it, then you're like, have you done it before? Like, have you done that before? Right? So you'd be like, Kwesi, Woayɛ peng, or Kwesi, Woayɛ bida, which is, have you done that before? But if you come and you say Woayɛ, it's not specific. It's basically you asking me, have you done something? It's generic. Have you done something before? You have to be specific in what you're asking. So Woayɛ is fine. You're still asking, have you done it before? But it's basically saying, have you done something before? It's not specific. So the first two, Woayɛ peng and Woayɛ bida, are more specific to something. Then Woayɛ is not really specific. It's just general. So those are the two differences between bida and da. I hope that actually answers your question, Joe. Sorry that I got a bit confused and I couldn't explain properly, but I hope my explanation in the comment section made sense. So in a sense, you can use them both at any time. They're basically the same thing, but bida is more to something specific, something that you are literally saying this to or that to. Then da is just general, but you can use them both the same, right? Then I had two friends that actually called me up and asked me to actually put this in the video. They had two things that they needed me to translate, right? So the first one was, what do they call you? What do they call you in TWI? What do they call you is Wɔnfrɛ was saying. Wɔn is like they, ne? Frɛ is like call. You is wo. So Wɔnfrɛ was saying is, what do they call you? So imagine me walking to a little village. If I'm literally trying to make a short story, then somebody sees me, then somebody walks up to me and they're like, Wɔnfrɛ was saying. So they'll be like, what do they call you? Then the other thing they wanted me to translate was, where are you from? So where are you from can be said in two ways. The first one is Wofiri, where are you from? Or ehina Wofiri. It's also where are you from? So Wofiri or ehina Wofiri. So if you meet someone in Ghanaian and you want to ask them where they're from, you can say Wofiri. Who is you? Firi is from. Hine is where. But in English is where are you from? Then ehina Wofiri. Ehina is where in particular. Ehina is where in particular. Now Wofiri are you from? So those were the other two things that I was actually asked to translate. So with that, I think that's everything. So remember, if you like the channel, please click on the like button, subscribe, and click on the bell button for future notifications. And please, please, please spread the word. Tell everyone who wants to learn TWI to either get it, to either come on the channel or download TWI Junior Pro. With that and this, you learn the language quicker. With the virus, please stay indoors. Only go out for essential services, be it food or medicine. Remember, it's not about you, it's about the next person. Let's try and reduce the number and kill this. So from me, Kwesi, see you on Sunday. Bye.